Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you. So I have bonus tips for you. Bonus tip number 1, I recommend you use a password manager. I use LastPass, but there's a couple here that you might consider. LastPass, OnePass, Dashlane. Really, what I want you to think about is that as you get more organized, you're going to find you subscribe to more applications. Some are paid, some are free, but there gets to be so many of them. And so I want you to have a way to manage all your passwords. And what I want you to avoid is having one password for everything. If you use a password manager, you'll be able to just click the password box and say, okay, password manager, fill in my username and password. Because sometimes the username is just a name you've picked, like Gentle Frog, and sometimes it's your email address. And then your password, sometimes you need 12 characters, sometimes it's uppercase, lowercase, symbol, sometimes it's not those things. Like, it just gets to be too much to try to remember it all. So, password manager. Bonus tip number 2 is to follow up on customers who owe you money. So keep track of who owes you money and have a system to ask for the money you're owed. I know that we get busy and I know it's uncomfortable, but I don't want you to ever skip asking someone to pay you if they owe you. I don't want you to say, oh my gosh, I wasn't keeping track of it. Now it's 6 months later and I don't want to ask them for the money. I'm just going to let it slide. Right? If you have a system to keep track of who owes you money, then you'll know to follow up with them. And then just internally have a system to ask people to pay you. So it could be just resending the invoice, could be a phone call, could be a quick email. Doesn't matter to me what it is. Just, have a system, have a plan.